Hi, Sensei users. Do you want to deduct marks on every wrong answer or skipped questions? If so, here is a piece of good news for you. We have just released a new plugin, Sensei Negative Marking, that can automatically deduct marks for every wrong answer, as well as skipped questions, if you set so. Let us see how it works. The first step, obviously, is to install our premium plugin, Sensei Negative Marking. After installing this plugin, you will see the Negative Marking Quiz Settings menu in the admin dashboard. If you click the negative marking on the admin sidebar, you can set negative marking for all quizzes, globally, both for incorrect answers as well as skipped questions. If you want to enable negative marking, not globally but specific to certain quizzes, that can be done in the lesson widget area. One very important point is that you must enable the auto-grade option in the quiz settings. Once you set everything, let us check how negative marks are applied when a user attempts a quiz question, both for incorrect and skipped questions. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have learned some valuable information. We will see you in the next Sensei videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on Sensei.